Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do post up and under shot in NB2K 26. It's quite easy. To learn this shot more quickly, you need to head over to features and just go to the option customize hood. Once that open, you need to make sure that right from this shot meter shot option, your shot meter should be turned on. Once you learn the shot or once you get better in the shot, then later on you can just turn off the shot meter if you like, but for now you need to turn that on. Once the shot meter is enabled, now you can head over to the option learn 2K and go to advanced tutorial. Here by using the R2 key, we're gonna select the section, this one playing in the post. Now here scroll all the way down and you're gonna see the option post up and under. This is the exact shot which we're gonna learn. So if we select that, we'll get to know that if we perform the shot correctly or not. Now to perform the shot, you need to hold LT key or L2 key all the time and just flick the right stick up 2 times. Just flick it up. Once you see the shot meter, you need to release that and again hold the stick up. So again let me show you, hold LT all the time as I said and just flick the right stick up, release that once you see the shot meter, and again you need to flick that up and release the ball. So let me show you again, hold LT, flick the right stick up, once you see the shot meter just release the ball again, and yep, there you go. That's exactly how you can do this. Hold LT, flick the right stick up, once you see the shot meter release that and again flick it up. Once you practice this shot couple of times, you can perform the shot even after disabling the shot meter. But yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.